political persons from Delhi are coming to Goa. What are you going to say about politics in Goa or Aam Aadmi Party?
See, I think politics in Goa, everybody knows that there's only one party here. Congress and BJP is the same party. You have MLAs who get elected from one party, they get elected from the Congress because people are sick of the ruling party, and then they go whole soul to BJP and let them form the government. This is the kind of politics that has been going on in Goa. And the people of Goa are tired of this politics. They want to clean politics. And now they see that Aam Aadmi Party's broom is the only way to clean politics, and that's where we are.
Madam, tomorrow is 10th, the day when 10 Congress legislators have gone into BJP. So any particular link with that incident and your visit today?
Absolutely, because this is 10th is the very day when the people who were elected to oppose the BJP, 10 of them went into the BJP and helped them form the government. And I think that the people of Goa are disillusioned. The people of Goa want change. The people of Goa want clean politics, politics that works in their interests.
Madam, any more leaders in the lineup to arrive into Goa?
Absolutely. All leaders of Aam Aadmi Party will be coming to Goa to meet the people of Goa, to build the organization here and to help Aam Aadmi Party form the government in the coming years.
So Aam Aadmi Party is very determined to open an account in Goa now.
Aam Aadmi Party is determined to do more than just open an account in Goa. Aam Aadmi Party is here to clean Goan politics and to bring ground level change for the people of Goa.
वेलकम करता आमचे नॅशनल स्पोक पर्सन आनी आप नॅशनल लिडर मॅडम एफटीशी आयज ती गोंयांत आयिल्ली कित्याक आसा एक पर्पज आसा आनी 3 तारखेर 3 जुलयाक एक कॅम्पेन स्टार्ट केल्ली लेट्स क्लीन गोवन पॉलिटिक्स म्हणून आनी फाल्यां ती कॅम्पेन ती कंक्लूड करपाक गेल्या आनी ती प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन ती कंक्लूड करतली कित्याक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा फाल्यांचो दीस 2 वर्सां पयले कशे हे 10 आमदार काँग्रेसाचे आशिल्ले आपले लोकांची मतां कशे ते विकून होलसेलाचेर ते बीजेपीन जॉयन जाले आनी दुसरे सायडीन बीजेपीन कशे गोंयकारांचे स्टोल केले ते वोट्स सो बिट्रेयर्स या ट्रेटर्सांक ती कन्क्लूड करपा खातीर ती आयज स्पेशली गोंयांत आयिल्ली आसा आनी लोक गोंयची जनता आयज जावं ती बीजेपी ऑर काँग्रेस सायड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉयन बेजार आसा विट्टेल्ली आसा कित्याक तांचे वोटां बरोबर तांचे वोटाय बरोबर तेणी खेळ केल्लो आसा तांकां तेणी विकत दिल्ले आसा बिकॉज तो वोट मारिल्लो लोकांनी काँग्रेसाक पूण काँग्रेसान तो वोट काडलो आनी बीजेपी कडेन विकते गेले सो ह्या बिट्रेयर्सांक ट्रेटर्सांक परतून तांकां एक बूथ शिकोवपा खातीर आमी जी कॅम्पेन स्टार्ट केल्ली खूब बरी चल्ली आनी फाल्यां ती लास्ट 10थार ती मॅडम प्रेस घेवन कितें आसा ती सांगतली आनी तुमकां कळटलें सो इट इज टायम टू क्लीन पॉलिटिक्स बिकॉज गोवन्स आर लुकींग फॉर डेडिकेटेड कमिटेड एज्युकेटेड फ्रेश फेसीस इन द गोवा असेंब्ली दे आर फेड अप ऑफ द सेम ओल्ड स्टेल फेसीस इन द असेंब्ली